Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the next point of the unit number 6, vehicle testing and maintenance. The next part is the vehicle maintenance. In this unit we have already seen the need of vehicle testing and the vehicle test standards. So one of the most important factor, vehicle maintenance, we can see one by one the important factors related with the maintenance. First of all, the most important, that is the lifeline of the vehicle, it is the oil. So the most important issue in vehicle is to selecting a particular or correct oil and changing it regularly, because of the numbers of oils are available in market. They vary from the vehicle to vehicle and as per the use. So regular commercial vehicles, they can use the different type of uh, oils, and the particular sports cars, they are using the different types of the oils. Heavy vehicles, those are requires the different grade oils, synthetic oils, and those are having the different grades. So as per the requirement of vehicle, we can choose the oil for our vehicle. The next part is the changing oil. So that is the owner's manual that is provided, and in that manual they suggested the particular miles or particular kilometers after that you can change the oil of your vehicle. So always replace the filter at the time of oil change, so it gives the better quality and better performance to run the vehicle. And most of the oil, it is having the its uh, particularly expiry dates. When we cannot use our vehicle near about 2 months or 6 months, at that time also, that is a particularly bonding or particularly quality of oil is grading down. It is not necessary to continuously using or not using the vehicle, and same again for 4,000 miles or 3,000 miles or kilometers we are going to use same oil 2 years or 3 years. So regularly, that is after 1 or 1.5 year, and if it is not possible, then every 3,000 or 5,000 miles, that is a regularly changing oil, it is a necessary. Next part, that is a selection of oil, that is depends on the viscosity grade and outdoor temperature, that is a varied from region to region. First, brand name, and there are many choices in available, that is a check on the web, those are rated best or those are most widely used by the that particular vehicle. Second, that is a B grade, we can select the better grade. All oils are good enough, that is a diesel, use different types. See, also we can check the weight, that is a consult, that is with owner's manual. For every time, that is we can refer the owner's manual, and that is we can use for selection for the particular best oil. And finally, that is always use the same brand and weight. So when we vary the uh, weight or particularly brand, at that time, that is a that quality and initial quality, and selected another, that is a oil, that is a not matches to each other. So they are having the different grades, they not provide the good results. So continuously, when we are selecting the oil with the same brand and with the same weight or quality, continuously we are going to use always the same brand we prefer for the best results. Similarly, that is a fuel system, that is a fuel tank, store fuels, and fuel pumps. These are the some important parameters we are going to check every time for the maintenance. Fuel tank with a store fuel, fuel pumps that is a moves fuel from the tank, fuel filter removes the impurities, carburetor, fuel injectors that is a mixed fuel and with air and into the cylinder, and air filter that is removes the dust from air. So after the 5,000 or 6,000 miles or one in a year, we can change the air filter and also fuel filter at the time of oil change. We are going to continuously replace for the betterment and the to get the maximum benefit of the product. Similar way, that is a fuel supply. The tank shows in that that is a fuel comes into the fuel pump with the high pressure and then fuel filter. In this dust or that is a impurities are collected in fuel filter. So it provides a particular pressure, amount pressure that is a required for the fuel rail to inject inside the cylinder, and after that that is a fuel pressure regulator and remaining oil remaining fuel that is a returns to the fuel supply. So every time we require to check the fuel filter, so impurities are stuck in the holes and required pressure we cannot get for the fuel rail, so we can remove uh, or we can replace if possible in 1 year, that is a fuel filter. The fuel pressure regulator that is a we can maintain with the help of that is a removing the that is a impurities from the fuel filter if possible, or if it is removed we can get the better results. Also the numbers of parameters we can check with the fuel related with the we can use the fuel with the good quality without mixture of any other things. Cooling system, that is the cooling system keeps the engine from overheating, away from the overheating, and regularly we require to change the coolant, that is circulating system, and the water and antifreeze stored in radiator and the overflow tank. Water pumps pushes the coolant through the engine and the thermostat keeps the temperature constant. So continuously that is a air flow maintains with the fan, and that is a water jacket or that is a coolant jacket provided around the engine. So that is also most important factor to avoid the overheating with the cooling system, and we can use the radiator with the filling the good coolant that will be absorb the maximum heat from the engine, and with the help of radiator that is evacuating to the air. The next thing that is a carbon monoxide. The car emits or after burning the fuel, the odorless or colorless and tasteless that is the gases or numbers of gases. A small amount of make of the sleepy and headache, that is the reproducibility of the red blood cells and to the carry oxygen. Large amount of that is a burning gases are generated. That is a proper maintenance if we cannot complete within a time. So carbon monoxide and numbers of gases are generated. We can check with the PUC center, and with the help of PUC, the numbers of things are clarified. Coolant antifreeze that is strong enough to protect the engine, and can buy we can buy the hydrometer in advance to couple the bugs and test to clean, and when it becomes a dirty, have a system that is flushed by replaced with the new coolant. with every 3 months or quarterly, that is after 6 months, we can change the coolant, and they can be not be mixed with the ethylene glycol. The next part, that is required maintenance, most of for starting problems, engine starting problem, that is related with the battery. Most maintenance free batteries are just that. It is a still a good idea to have a battery terminals that is a cleaned each year. That is a quality best, because of the dirt and other particles are accumulated because of acidic nature. The chemical reaction goes, and that terminals goes choke up, and we cannot get the proper supply. An old toothbrush, that is a and baking soda will clean the junk off. With the help of brush and baking soda, we can remove that plus with the hose to make sure that everything is off. By a terminal cleaner for dull to atozone, if that is having the trouble, that is in advance, that is atozone will test the system and the battery. It is free from the junk. Tune up so regularly on the basis of the 1 lakh miles. The tune up it is required. The routine that is a routine maintenance and the change of oil, change of air filters. We can change the numbers of continuously use, that is a part, and vehicle health depends on the numbers of things we can change with the regularly with the manuals. Timing belts are the exceptions. They need to be replaced every 60,000 miles and before they break. When they break, they will leave the standard and the road, or may cause the serious damage to the engine. So as per the owner's manual, we can change the timing belts. Brakes, the brake light on the dash might, that is a make, that is a parking brake is on, the brake fluid is low. It shows the indicate with the two symbols are given, and shoes are worn, need to be replaced, as they will be reflects on the indicator. If at any time there is a hear a strange noise when applying the brakes, then it is checked. Unfortunately, the some vehicles, some there is noise will be the creates, and continuously or regularly we are required to monitor the brakes and oil levels that is related with the brake. The next part of the vehicle maintenance, that is the tires, the tire tread and wet and slippery. So particularly numbers of parameters that is affect related with the tire. Already we have seen in unit number 4, that is related with the brake wheels and tires. So tire wear, that is affects the vehicle performance. Also vehicle balance, that is depends on the tires. So traction, we know initially that is with replace the depth of tread, and that is a rotating after 5,000 miles. We can replace or rotate the after 5,000 miles, and we can make the balance, that is wheel alignment and balancing after 5,000 or after 10,000 kilometer. That is a this picture gives the under inflation, that is a tire wear out on the outer edges, and similar way, that is a proper inflation, that is a flat surface, it gives the proper inflation, and over inflation, that gives the more wear at the center position. So proper inflation, it is also important, that is shown in this figure for low maintenance. So different warning lights and indicators are provided in speedometer, we can check at the time of driving. If the oil light comes, that is a suddenly we can stop the driving. And if car overheats, we cannot open or radiator until the cool, and stop as soon as possible, adding the water to the drive to the service station. So these are the numbers of things are we can take care at the time of warning light it is a glows inside the speedometer. So these are the since 1996, that is both diagnostic units have that is they are installed the all vehicle that is sold in US. Also in also latest vehicles having the numbers of things. Also in two-wheelers and four-wheelers, numbers of indicators are mentioned in speedometer. So we can observe that, and with owner's manual, we can do the maintenance as well as we can take the precaution before failure. Thank you. Stay connected.